This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's my pleasure to be here with you in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to work on playing 4 more melodies together that are written in the key of B major. I say 4 more melodies because in the last video, we worked on reading 4 melodies that were written in the key of B major, and before that, we worked on the B major scale. So we've been doing a lot with the B major scale, the key of B major here in these videos, and we're going to do 4 more melodies here practicing with this key. Of course, as we're playing these melodies, we will be reading them in standard music notation, playing them in first position on the guitar, as that is the focus of this particular lesson series. And we'll be jamming right along with bass, drums, and guitar accompaniment, which is super helpful as we're playing these melodies and makes it super, super fun. This video accompanies lesson 21 from my note reading books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, we're going to be on pages 136 and 137. We're going to play songs 13, 14, 15, and 16. We'll go right in that order. Each one of these songs is going to happen twice, first at a slower tempo and then a faster tempo per our usual format for this lesson series. So it's going to be great. Now, the key of B major has 5 sharps. We only have an E natural and a B natural. All the other notes in the key of B are played as sharped, the sharped version we should say, instead of the natural version. So F sharp, G sharp, C sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. You want to make sure and play all those notes that way. We've worked on this B major scale. We've read some melodies before. So we're just going to go ahead here in this video and just jump right in playing these songs together. If you have any spot within them at the tempos that are given that are just too difficult, you're just tripping, you're not quite getting it, then pause that video, as I always say, and work out that spot and then resume playing right along with me. That'll help you develop the best technique you can get the fastest. So it's going to be fun. Let's go ahead and work on these melodies together. All right, awesome. I hope you're enjoying this. I love reading melodies, jamming with band tracks, jamming right along with you. It's so great. In the next video, we're going to move on to lesson 22 from the note reading book. So we're going to check out the keys of D flat major and B flat minor. Those relative keys have 5 flats. So we're going to work with 5 flats. It's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.